clear slime kit, Craft City by Karina.
Garcia.
So, this is what it comes with. I'm so excited to see how the slime turns out. So, this is all that it comes with, and it's supposed to be a clear slime.
It comes with 2 bottles of clear glue.
And it comes with this slime activator to get it into slime. This kind of like a straw thing, this beaker, this small spoon, 3 different colors, a powder for the color, a little net thing, a little scoop thing, and for the color.
And it comes with this bowl, a beaker, cup of water.
And we have this color drop powder that we're gonna add 1 spoon into the water. Put the calcium chloride powder into the warm water and then mix it in until it is dissolved.
I'm gonna mix it. I am going to mix it.
We're going to be dropping in color drops to make the slime beads. We're gonna do color yellow. Do about 20 drops. Now I'm going to strain out the slime beads.
Wow, that looks so cool. Now we're gonna do color blue slime beads. Now we're gonna strain out the beads.
We're going to do the red.
Looks so cool.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're going to strain them out.
I got the cup, and then you pour it. There we go.
Stored the beads in here. Now we're going to move on into the glue.
To make slime.
We're going to be needing 8 tablespoons of clear glue, and then we're going to pour them in to the container.
Kit comes with everything
you need, so you don't need to buy extra things to make the slime. So we're going to pour in 8 tablespoons.
Whoa, that's a lot. I think that's a lot. 3, 4. Don't put too much. 6, 7, 8.
We're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of the activator into the glue to make it into slime.
Yep.
I'm going to stir it. 1, 2. Okay, now we have to stir it in with the stick.
Oh, it looks already like slime.
So we're going to keep stirring it
Looks
until
already like
it
slime.
makes it to slime. So it's definitely worked.
Whoa. It looks like real slime. So it's not sticky and it feels so good.
And it's coming together really nicely.
Yeah.
And the texture is not sticky at all.
It's not very stretchy. If you do it slow, it stretches, but if you do it fast, it breaks.
Yeah. So
So
now we're going to add in the color droppers.
I'm gonna put the beads.
They feel really nice and squishy.
Yeah.
And they look really cool in the clear slime because you can see it because it's clear.
Yeah. I don't even want to put nothing inside it. This was so fun playing with it. Wow.
Of the video, we had so much fun making the slime, and it comes with everything you need. You don't need anything extra. You don't need to buy anything.
Watching the Mia and Tess Toy Show. Don't forget to subscribe right down here
and give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.